channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make shrimp fritters, also known as marinade shrimp. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients. 1.5 pound raw jumbo shrimps, 1620.
Half cup of water.
1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 packet Goya, 3 tablespoons parsley, 3 tablespoons green onion, 2 tablespoons sweet pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder,
Half cup all-purpose flour and half cup cornstarch. I already washed the shrimp, cut them in small pieces and put them in a food processor. I press the button 6 times so it doesn't get mushy. It should look like this consistency. I'm going to marinate it and let it sit for 30 minutes. Wow, this looks so yummy. If you don't want to use Goya packet, you can put 2 teaspoons of salt to your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. It's only optional. I love hot sauce. Now I'm adding the flour, cornstarch, and water. I'm putting a teaspoon of baking powder so it will rise. Now I'm adding vegetable oil to begin the frying process. The temperature should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or medium-high heat. You can fry it for 10 minutes, no more than that. Wow! Look at that fritters. Gardez ki jan marinade mwen yo bel. Wow! This is the final result. Bon appétit!
Thanks everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what Haitian dish I should do next time. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell every time I upload a video. Thank you. Bye bye.